How to update Facebook on Android. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. We can update our Facebook just like any other app by going on our Play Store application. Now in the search bar you have to search for your Facebook app. Now once you give it a search and the suggestion is shown, tap open it to see if there is any update bubble. If there is an update bubble, just leave it for an update and your Facebook will be updated. And there is another way as well. You have to see if your system is up to date to support your Facebook. Go to your settings and search for system update here. Then tap on search and see for any update. As you can see, it is already in the latest version. If the update is available, you can just go ahead and leave it for an update, and your Facebook will be updated accordingly as well. And yes, you have made to the end of this video as well, and this is a wrap for how to update your Facebook on Android. Thank you so much for watching.